Is Misha Andra Gourlay? I'm Andrew Gourlay. Sound Glasgow a chamio hús a chamio fúrich an den FIFA and drasta. I'm a coffee connoisseur and enjoy roasting coffee beans. I work as an actor, sé cléisiche a hanam, and I also work part-time in a cinema in Edinburgh. I love film, and especially Scottish film. A fálig alinas. Cashgalor J Hashin a Gina and Sagarigan J. Shug. I started learning Gaelic 3 years ago. My mum is from the Isle of Skye and speaks Gaelic. That encouraged me to start learning. We talk together and she's a great help to me. Bishina Goper and Sagaurig. This is a good opportunity for me to pick up some more Gaelic words from my mum. I try to speak Gaelic as much as I can. Bí mi a brúin sa Gaelic rí mo harichin agus clás córi loine. Sé a bhí mar farst yen choirsnach Gaelic a ha cóirsteirain. I really enjoy meeting up and speaking with fellow learners.